Hi guys, it's your girl A Marie, and I wanted to show you guys this top. I made this top a while back, guys, and I'm actually gonna wind up getting some more denim fabric, and I'm gonna try and make it live for you guys. It go high and low, but when I washed it in the machine, guys, and when I cut it, it kind of ripped a big old hole in the back. These things came loose, totally came loose. So when I washed it, but guys, what I'm gonna wind up doing back there where that came loose, I'm gonna do the chains. If you guys see people be having chains, or I do the sheer mash up in there. But I'm going to show you guys how to do these denim rip tops with the bleach effect, guys. So I just have to pick up some more denim, and I'll show you guys live how to make this. So you guys have a great Friday and happy sewing. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, to fix that, if you guys can see, I've added panels 1, 2, 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix that hole in the shirt. So how that shirt had the hole, I just added 1, 2, 3 panels, and now I'm going to sew it and fix it. Okay guys, these are a couple still shot. This is another denim cross shirt that I made, and this is the denim one, and I added the panels in between to kind of not have it so open, and I think that that bra top was great. That's another one of the wrap tops. So guys, I'm definitely going to be doing the denim for you guys coming soon. My denim wrap top and ripped shirts. So stay tuned. Coming soon.